I think all are good. Today I will discuss RSI, Strength Index, Relative Strength Index, RSI, short form RSI. Briefly, this company I will trade here. So many instrument is there. This company name is Deriv. I will paste the link in my description. You click to link, open standard CFD MD5 account. Here facility 7 days you have trade, 365 days open. Saturday Sunday also volatility index, crash, boom, step index, jump index, drift index. So many instrument is there. Even Saturday Sunday you can trade. 5 days forex trading, metal trading, Nasdaq index trading. Another Saturday Sunday you also trade. Instant withdrawal, that is benefit. No other company that type of facility. Even Saturday Sunday you can trade without crypto. There crypto also. That's why this is good broker and instant withdrawal. So many instrument is there. One way deposit, trade and withdrawal. So, as well as check this some instrument. Their volatility index, crash, boom index, step index, range break, jump index, DEX, drift Swiss index, multi-step index, basket index, crypto. So many crypto pair is there. 7 days on, you know that. Energies, all worldwide, every instrument is there. One company, all of instrument you can trade. This that facility: forex, minor, major, exotic, micro, metal, soft commodity, stock, equity market, stock index. There Nasdaq, US 30, China 50, France 40, Germany. So many is there. Singapore, Swiss dollar. You can open this market. Wall Street, Tech 100. That means Nasdaq. Hybrid index, skewed step. So many instrument, nobody provide any other company that facility. That's why I have recommended this company. You always open this through link. There are so many facility, so many instrument and faster withdrawal. Okay, this is company. You can click description, click to link, open standard CFD MT5 account. Just today I will discuss RSI. RSI, this is a momentum indicator. How to deploy the chart and go to good profit. I will check. There are some instrument placed to dashboard. Here gold, GBP USD, JPY, USD JPY, Euro USD, step index, volatility 75, 500 index, and another currency you can add, but no need right now. Some one instrument I just understand here. RSI, how to work. Just gold market, open the chart open, then place the RSI. Okay, click to process line and main chart. There search RSI. Where is RSI? Relative strength index, RSI. There all are set up. Just focus 14 period, 14 setup, apply to close, level 80, 70, 50, 30, 20. Actually RSI standard level 70, 30, but here 80 and 30, 20, 70, 50 I have added. I will understand why that use. 50 they prefer to market uptrend and downtrend. 80, 70 below, 80, 70 and that below. This market is overbought. 80 and 70 market overbought situation. 30 and 20 is a strong seller position there. Okay, their color is red. Save right now. Go to chart. Here check to RSI setup. Very nice. There 5 lines is there below. Check 20, 30, 50, 70, 80. Here 5 minute time frame. Instrument gold. instrument gold 5-minute time frame. Just I will check 5-minute time frame how to trade through RSI. Right now market 70 touch. You have check market is 50 above. That means market uptrend, buy mode. But here 70 touch the indicator. Focus RSI. This is red line RSI 14 standard. RSI 14. This is red line. Touch the 70. Just you have seen 70 touch and back to market as like that. If touch and below this line, that means market no buyer is there. Right now sell start. Okay, one trade place, just got an idea. Sell trade. You can stop loss setup is here. Stop loss you setup is here. Okay, right now 70 touch not cross the 80. This that means overbought market, not to be more buyer. If buyer, then this red line cross to 70 and touch 80. If more buyer and more buying position, then 80 cross. This is strong overbought, strong buyer. Right now selling pressure is that's why RSI indicator touch the 70 and turn to low back. Right now cross the cross my place to trade there, minus right now minus position, but it will wait sometimes, it will get into profit. Okay, just I will check the indicator how to work in chart. There 70 touch and little bit up, market also up. Here touch, then market little bit up, then down market. Touch 70 and go down, market down to above 30. Back testing there same also, above 50 markets go up. Just above 50, this line cross the line, that means it will go up. Cross the down line, cross the down line 50 down. Okay, back testing. This is buy side. I will check, then it's a sell side. Sell side there check here. Here touch at the 30. Touch at the 30, then turn the market, red line turn to 30 cross, then market go to buy. This is buying position. You remind that 20 and 30, that position, red line cross and touch and then turn to up, that means the market will go up. If cross the down, if cross the 80-70 lines, 80-70 lines, touch the lines and turn to down, that means market go to sell. As like concept is clear. Same back testing you have trade there 30, touch to 30 and 20 above, then market go to up. This is buy side, as well as sell side, as well as sales. That market 70 touch go down, market sell, very nice. Then market sell, market go to 70 touch, then turn to RSI, market go to sell position. This is gold trade. Okay, another I will check this profit. Right now $30 is a profit, very nice. You can trade through RSI. This is good profit, but understand where I will set up and where I will get to trade. GBP USD, next chart. GBP USD as well as same 5-minute time frame. You can maximum time frame you can do, but try to 5 to 15 minutes time from you can trade. You have check right now GBP USD 50 down, that means market will go to touch 50 and down, as like that. Okay, 5-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, they are 50 above but turn to 50 touch. Wait for the confirmation. If 50 touch and go to up, then market will buy, either it will go to sell, either 50 up and down, that is market will sideways. Simple concept, you check to 50 above 50 red lines, that means market buy. If 70 80 touch and turn, then market go to sell, downtrend. If 20 30 touch and market turn to up, then market go to buy. 50 above, that means buy trend, 50 below, that means sell trend. This is simple concept. You can apply any type of instrument. Just check here, 5-minute time frame, they are not to touch above 50, then 63 to then turn there, that means not maximum buyer, very weak buying point, then start to seller. As well as so many back testing is there. You can check every currency here. Good. Here check 70 touch RSI indicator, 70 touch, just check RSI indicator 70 touch and go to down and the downfall, sell trade. As well as 30, check RSI indicator 30, nearby 30, then up, market go to up, upside. Very simple. So many back testing is there. You can check to in your MT5 RSI set up this level, and how to deploy the chart and where I will do trade, you check. They are same thing. 5-minute time frame GBP JPY. Here also 50 touch and go to up, RSI indicator. Go to up, that means market will go up, but wait some time. It will, if up or down, RSI indicator red lines cross the 50 and try to go up. As well as backtesting here, very nice. Here check 70 touch up, then market little bit up, then go to down. That means 70 and 80, they touch the indicator, it will go down. But you confirmation when red line turn to downside, wait for sometimes. Okay. As well as same here, red line touch the 70, then go down. So many back testing is there. Any other currency? Euro USD. Okay, check Euro USD. Euro USD here, very nice. 50 touch 50 and go to upside, touch 50 and go to upside. Simple. If red line cross the 50 and touch up and go to upside, this is uptrend. If 30 touch and go to upside, that means buy trend. Very nice. Here also check 30, this area 30, touch the 30 line, touch RSI 14 red lines and go to uptrend. Here also 50 above, that means it will go buy, wait for some times. Here back testing, here 70 not touch but nearby 68. Here turn to downside, market go sell, strong sell. Very simple. Market it will go sell. Just here 30, but you confirm 70 touch by 80 touch, then you can trade. Either you wait for some times, then touch 70 nearby, and then turn the indicator and go to heavy downfall. Same here nearby 30, nearby 30, 37, not to go 30 but nearby 30, below 50 it will go to buy side, and market cross to 50, strong bullish trend. Just check if 50 red lines up, this is buy trend, 50 below, this is sell trend. So many back testing, just you have to check. 30 touch here also 30 touch, this side, this candle is 30 touch, then market go up. Very nice buy mood right now, buy position. So many currency you back testing. Okay, right now a Deriv step index, one setup you can work anywhere, any instrument, anytime. This facility in broker. That's why I recommend you open through link. So many facilities there, instant withdrawal, no problems for withdrawal, or you can trade 7 days. There, check there, very nice. Here 5-minute time frames. 5-minute time frames. I will not do that. There is a 50 cross. Check this 50 cross, then 62, above 62, go to 62, then turn the market, wait, then 50 cross, then I will trade 50 cross and below. That means market will go down. 50 cross, market below, then a confirm signal, then you can trade. 50 cross the red line, then place the trade. Market go to down, very downfall. A good profit comes here. Now 20 cross the market and touch the 20, not above 20 to 30 cross the market and above red line, then buy, either strong sell. Okay, back testing, check there. Here 30, here 30, 20 touch, 20 touch up, here 20 touch up nearby 30, 20 touch up nearby 30 and cross the 30, then go to buy side. Very nice, strong buy and more profit. This is benefit for RSI. Very nice. All instrument you can back testing, same result. Just look here. You can perfect. You can check to perfect. Cross zoom out. You can check. This is more perfection. Zoom out. Then you can check here. Go to 30 touch here, check to 30 touch and go to upside downside, but you check this above the market 50 cross and down, then market will downtrend. Above 50, that means market is buy side. Okay, zoom the market. Any other currency I will check. As like you have understand what am I say. Volatility 75, just check here, volatility 75. Here volatility 75, this is same thing, 5-minute time frame, market is uptrend. How to understand uptrend? There 50 touch and market go to 50 above. That means uptrend. Uptrend start from here. Uptrend start from here. 50 touch, then market go to up. Very nice. Back testing. Sell position is there 70 and 80. Touch up and cross the 70 and 80. Then red indicator cross the 70 line. Cross the 70 line, that means market go to down. Check down. This indicator used to every instrument you can get profit, but wait for some time. Perfect confirmation. If above to 50, that means market will go up. Below 50, market go down. Okay. Metal, forex, volatility, crash. Okay, crash 300. Check to crash 300. Mostly trade all person, that's why I have checking. You can check any type of instrument. Just check here, same thing. 70 and 80 touch up, then cross the 70, market go down. Market go down. As well as check here 50 touch. Here 50 touch up. 50 touch, market go to up. 70 touch up, 80 touch, then again touch to 70, again touch to 80. That means market overbought. That means market overbought. Then cross the 70, it will go sell. You can check all currency, same thing. Just focus market above 50, that means buy. 70 and 80 touch up and cross, that means market is overbought. If below 50, market is downtrend, that means sell position. If 20-30 touch, that means market oversold. Then 70-30 cross, 20-30 cross, that means market it will go up. If 50 cross, then strong buy. Here check here, market 30 above and cross the market and cross the 50, that means market buy, a strong buy. 70 and 80, that means overbought. Market is more buyer and strong to buy. Then cross the 70, market go to down. Same thing, you check the all currency, same one setup, all currency you can trade. Okay. Now check to crypto. Mostly so many pair is there. Just one pair check. There BTC USD maximum trade. Check to BTC USD. There BTC USD chart, BTC chart. Same thing. Here 50 cross the market. 5 minute time frames. You can more time frame also, but 5 to 15 minutes. This is good for trade intraday. Just shock touch 50, cross the 50 and above. Market go to buy side. Same thing here. Same thing here. Market 30, red line touch 30, then cross the 30, not confirm. It will go up, but I am not confirm. When confirm, then cross the 50 lines. Cross the 50 lines and go to above. That means strong buy. Same thing. So many is back testing. You can play the indicator and trade. Yeah, so many. So all currency same indicator use and you can trade. Just I will check. Then gold market right now one trade I have right now losses $24. Don't worry. Right now market sideways and 80-70. Quarrel seller and buyer. There 80 and 70. Touch 70, then below, then touch 70, then below. That means market seller and buyer pressure equal sideways market. Wait for sometimes it will go to profit. Okay, I'll check another currency. There more people trade in stock index. That means Nasdaq you can also trade, UK 100, SP 500, small cap 2000, US Tech 100, Wall Street 30. So just check up US Tech 100. That means Nasdaq. That US Tech 100 it will work same way. Very nice. There same thing 20 and 30 touch and cross the market, then market it will go up, but I'm not confirm for that is market go and up. It above 50, then it will confirm market will go up. Right now check here 70 and 80. Here 70 and 80 cross the red lines, then overbought market go to downside, then strong downfall above 30 touch, strong downfall 50 cross to down above 30 and 20. That means 25 20 23 25 touch up. Very good profit here. Right now oversold position and buyer and seller fight to market go up and down. Same thing. Check the all instrument, but you check the 50 line cross the red line. That means if cross to upside, that means buy. Cross to downside, that means sell. This is simple concept. Next back testing here. 30 touch go to up, cross the 50. That means buy side. So many example is there. So many examples. You can place the indicator in your MT5. Check. Okay guys, very nice. All instrument you can trade through RSI, relative strength index. This is momentum indicator. Momentum indicator means moment. How to moment this upper moment, down moment. I can catch from this indicator. Okay guys, right now losses is $17, but it will go downfall, then touch up 70 and not cross the 70. If cross the 70, that means overbought, but touch up 70 and go downside, that means market it will go down, not to cross 70. If cross to 70 and 80, then overbought. The market is more buying position. Right now not more buying position. Now seller are very try to market go to down. Okay, waiting for sometimes. Right now how much dollar? $14 losses. It will go profit, but wait sometimes. Right now $5, $4. This fluctuating for market, seller and buyer fighting. But you concept the RSI index very simply. I am also trader, but I understand the RSI. So then to understand RSI, how to work you. Just simple thing. 50 above cross the red line. 14 RSI setup. That means market will go up. 50 cross the down line. market go to downfall. If 32 touch the market, it will go buy side, and 80 to 70 touch market go to downside. Waiting for some time confirmation. Okay, this is very nice company. One way trading, all instrument is there. So try this. Description I will paste the link, company link. You click to link, open derivatives, click to link, open Traders Hub, login. At first login, then 3 line click there, Traders Hub, there click to CFD click to here standard CFD MT5 account. Then you can all facility you can take here. Deposit through USD, crypto USDT, you can in your payment method you can use. All facility is there. Instant withdrawal, very nice broker. 25 years old trusted company. That's why I will recommend to all you open this company and trade every day and every time, anywhere, anyone, anytime. This company recommend. Thanks to friends. Next video I will try to stochastic index. You know stochastic. Okay, I will check to next time video stochastic indicator. I will take to one more video, but more and more like, comment, share, subscribe. If subscribe more, I will more excited and more video I will provide you, and I will knowledge to give you. You send this video worldwide, I will try to more and more video give you for you. Thanks to all friends. All are happy to trade. All are good wealth, good health. Best of luck. Thank you.